Namhlanje umsebenzi wami awukho mkhulu, ngizokutshela nje ukuthi Talitha kum. Little girl, I say to you, arise. Yabona ke manje, it is the time. And if kungekho ozokutshela mina ngizokutshela. At the presence of your father, little girl, arise. Thiwe nje ngizosho njalo. From Monday morning kuthiwe Talitha kum. Little girl, I say to you, arise. And my assignment is clear and very simple. Little girl, you have no choice. Your father has spoken. Arise. So ke kwake kwathi ngelinye ilanga uJesu ubusy uaddress intshebe laphana uperforma miracles ubusy nje usemsebenzini usemandleni. Kwafika ubaba ogama lakhe kuthiwa uJairus. uJairus wayenesimo esiphuthumayo. Uthi Jesu, ingane yami iyashona, ngicela ukuphuthume uze kwami uzongiphilisela yona. Sharp uJesu wavuma wathi asambe. Nangempela the power was so available. Yabona nje, I've studied Jesus. I've studied how he works. Immediately when he said asambe, the power became available. You know why? Because along the way he met a woman with the issue of blood. The woman with the issue of blood didn't negotiate anything with Jesus. She said to herself, she's in her heart, ukuthi if I can touch the garment, I'll be made well. Angazi lo wesifazana wabona kanjani lawo mandla. But listen, Bible immediately when she touched Jesus, she was made well. uJesu wabuza nje ukuthi sengizwile amandla ephuma uba ongithintile. Akaconsultanga namuntu wesifazane obenesimo esiphuthumayo. Watshela uJesu, Jesu, it is me. Wathi uJesu, hey, go well. Your faith has made you well. So which means when there's power available, there's trouble. Eseqedile ukuphilisa umuntu wesifazane with the issue of blood, kwafika omunye synagogues owaziyo kubo kaJairus. Wazobika isimo esiphuthumayo. Jairus, ningabe nisayixaka ingane isivele yashona. Wathi uJesu, yabona ke lapha yila ngicapitalize khona because ngiyukuvuka kwabafileyo. I am the resurrection power. uJesu waphuthuma isimo wathi efika wafica kuyakhalwa, they wailing. Wathi hawu, nikhalelani nina lana? Anazi yini ukuthi mina am the resurrection power? Lithi iBhayibheli. uJesu wakhipha wonke umuntu endlini. Wathi akusala umama nobaba. Wathi asingeneni la ngaphakathi. Washizwe Lord uJesu. Wathi Talitha kum. Washo nje izwe Lord wathi Talitha kum. Lithi Bible, the direct translation of that is little girl, arise. Little girl, I say to you, arise. Ngiyazi ukuthi isimo sakho looks like you've been dead. Looks like it's been quiet for too long. Kade wawuzama, kade wawunokha uphendulwa. But I say to you, little girl, arise. What gives me the authority to say that to you today? It is because of the presence of the Father. The Father is here, and He's the one who's giving a command to say, little girl, arise. The power has been made available. And so, little girl, it is your time to arise. Wayengeke uJesu ayeke yonke into ayenzayo isimo sakho singaphuthumi. So now that Jesus is here, it is your time to arise. Lithi iBhayibheli uJesu wambamba ngesandla wathi little girl, arise. For the fact that isandla sakho sabanjiwe kanje, no, it is your time to arise. Awuna choice but to arise. What is going to make you to get up from where you are is the fact that your Father is pulling you up and His command has been dispatched. Izwi lakhe alibuyeli to Him null and void. You have no choice but to arise. Little girl, you are only sleeping. You are not dead. Arise. Master Jesus is here. Akavukanga umntwana. Lithi iBhayibheli, the little girl rose up immediately. Lathi wathi uJesu, okay, thulani ningatsheli umuntu ukuthi ngenze lokho. Nikeni ukudla adle. Qedile uJesu. Mission accomplished. Your job today, it is to arise. Little girl, it is time. You've been sleeping for way too long on yourself. It is time to arise. Arise from that dirt. You can see that situation has been dead for way too long. It is time that you arise. Leave that place. Jesus had to travel all the way for you. For you. So arise. Arise. You cannot afford to sleep. It is time for our salvation. There is a lot at stake. There is a lot at hand. It is time to arise. Our choice. Arise. 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 and claim what is yours. Take back your